This is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics, and this is a You Can Do It motivation for 2021. People, no more excuses. The time is now for you to change your life. Are you wondering what's ahead for the new year? Are you feeling doubtful and don't know which way to turn? We have all been there. You're not alone. I've been there too. But I'm here to tell you today, to inspire you, that you can do it. Make the decision now to leave behind anything that was not positive for you in the past. Now is the time to finally let go of all that will not benefit you moving forward. I know it's hard. Believe me, I know. But only you can make that decision for change. And it includes, first, letting go. Know that God, the Supreme Being, has more planned for you. Let go of the weight that has held you down for so long. Know that you are the creator of your life and boldly move forward. Use your passion and talents to create the life you were meant to have. Here you will find your joy and mission. Guess what? It's the secret to life's success. Know that you were not dropped here to struggle. Get in tune with who you are. Realize your doors to paradise await you. I'm one too. So many of us look to outside sources for happiness, success, and abundance. It's time you realize that what you seek is within you. Listen, people, make the choice now to get up every day with determination, with a new outlook towards the future. Know that everything you do now creates your next experience. So choose joy, happiness, contentment. Know that the God within is your source for everything, and it has been waiting for you to wake up. Yes, wake up to the new you. Your true self has been waiting for you to finally release the real you. Now is the time to give birth to that new book, that new business, that education or relationship that you were afraid of. Pull up your pants and step into your new life. Listen, you guys, you can do it. I can do it. We can do it. No more excuses. The time is now to open the doors that have been held shut by you. Now is the time to release the chains holding you back. Now is the time to take that step forward. Know that the Supreme Being within will walk with you, carry you, support you, and love you. You have free will to start now. You can do it for 2021. No more excuses. You are the only one who can do it for yourself. Make that decision now. Don't waste another year. Be one of the inspired to take that leap of faith. Join me as I step forward boldly to create the life I designed for myself. You can too. The time is now. Will you be one for 2021 to make that change? Tell me. Only you can have the answer. This is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics, always bringing you law of attraction, metaphysical information to change your life. This is a You Can Do It motivation for 2021. Again, no more excuses. The time is now. Namaste.